Hey everyone, Josh Smith here with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm here checking out the 2019 Ford Ranger. This is the Lariat with the full cab and a 5-foot bed. Right here you see the 2019 Super Crew 4x4 Lariat, and this has the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and this is in lightning blue. This beautiful body sits on a fully boxed high-strength steel frame that has 6 cross members, and there are steel bumpers and tow hooks mounted directly to the frame. This model also has 18-inch off-road owl tires and the FX4 off-road package. The Ranger has best-in-class gas torque with that 2.3 liter EcoBoost. You get 310 pound-foot of torque, and there's 270 horsepower under the hood. This is the Super Crew. It seats 5. There's one person in the middle there, and even with my seat fully back in the driving position, I have plenty of room in the back seat to fit a full-size adult passenger. Another really nice part about the back seat in the Ranger is that you have 2 USB ports and an AC 110 outlet, so everyone can charge up and even do some work in the back seat. On this model, we have a 5-foot bed with a bed liner built in. We also have a lot of tie downs. There's some up front, in the middle, and in the back. Makes it really easy to secure cargo, and that's something we really like to see, especially at a mid-sized pickup like this where it's going to be doing a lot of different things, whether it's hauling people or hauling gear. You get 1,860 pounds of payload, and with the tow package, 7,500 pounds of towing capacity. Ford offers a nice upscale interior on the Lariat, and we have a lot of cool tech that goes along with this design. We have a Sync 3 head unit here, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's very responsive and it works very nicely. Now, another cool feature that you get with this vehicle is the ability to do blind spot. So this will do a blind spot for the Ranger, but you can also do blind spot for your trailer. So you program your trailer in and can handle a 30-foot trailer, and it'll tell you if someone's in your trailer's blind spot. The Ranger also supports Ford Pass Connect. Your vehicle has a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot that's powered by AT&T. You can actually use your phone to lock and unlock, as well as remote start the vehicle, and then up to 10 devices can connect to the Ranger's Wi-Fi from up to 50 feet away. Another cool part about the interior here, Ford really tried hard to keep this center area really nice and clean, so you have nice lines, you have access to a lot of charging ports. The Ranger features a 2.3 liter engine that's paired to a 10-speed transmission. Now, it does ride and drive like a truck, so you're not dropping down into something that's a car. You're getting that truck, not that crossover experience. And that said, it drives very nicely. There's a nice bit of engine noise that does come into the cabin. I really like the driving position. One of the things on the Tacoma, which is a competitor, is that you don't have quite the same driving position. You're more almost in a go-kart position when you're in the Tacoma. This feels more like you're in a truck with that little drop-down area for your feet, and it feels more natural. In addition to the blind spot monitoring that I mentioned earlier, you get Ford Co-Pilot 360. So this includes that blind spot with cross-traffic alert. That includes your truck and your trailer. You also get a lane keeping system, a pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking system, automatic high beams, and a rear view camera. One thing that really stands out to me in the Ranger and in a lot of Ford vehicles is the driver view. So as I look out over the dash, I see this nice hood. I have this nice little body line that runs through that hood. So you get a really cool look as the driver as you're looking out. And I think not enough car companies and not enough truck companies pay attention to what it looks like as you look out from the driver's seat. In addition to handling those duties on the road very well, there's some really cool tech when you go off-road. There's a terrain management system that's included with the FX4 off-road package that includes normal grass, gravel and snow, mud and ruts, or sand, so it will help change the shifting and the truck behavior to better handle those. But the thing that really stands out and that's really cool is trail control. So you can turn this on, you basically set how fast you want to go. So I can set it at 5 miles per hour, and then it's going to go through this off-road area where I have a lot of articulation and even some ruts later on in this course, and it's going to take the vehicle at the right speed and really handle all the braking and throttle way better than even a semi-advanced off-roader could do. And it's really impressive. It handles the ruts, it handles hills, and a lot of other obstacles that I threw at it during this course. It's basically adaptive cruise control with a little bit of smart tech thrown in that helps you get through pretty much any terrain that you can think of. Thanks for joining me to check out the 2019 Ford Ranger. If you found this video useful, please give us a like. That helps us out. Leave a comment and let us know any questions you have about this vehicle, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.